Today, a strange and shocking claim is going viral. Fabio Jackson, the man often called a Michael Jackson lookalike.
It's the population that would have done it if they could. If they could, someone, okay, they would be in a hospital or in a surgery room every day. Every day. I mean, it happens every day, but I mean, it would be more if you could afford it. If you can't afford it, then that's your problem. It's not my problem. I didn't do my face. Does it look like I did my face? No. I was born like this. Michael doesn't look like me like this, you know? He looked like Michael, you know, the brown skin tone Michael. That's not who I look like. I look like at the one that he made himself to be. Okay? I look like that part, that era, that age. So I'm the original one. This is my look, and I claim it 100%. Get a lie detector if you want. I will pass that. Get a lie detector. I will pass it. I only did my nostrils, and this is my look. Complete friendship and innocence, you know, like it was nothing. Nothing. You know, at the end, people were saying, we want to take photos of you. And I was like, okay, you want to take photos of me, but he's the one that performed. You got to take photos with him. You better tip him to take photos of me. You know, and that's what happened. You know, people don't say that, but that's okay. That's okay. Many times Michael has said that a lot of times he doesn't believe the tabloids. A lot of times he doesn't believe what people say in the magazine about him. A lot of times he doesn't read all the things that is said about him, how bizarre, how weird he is. And it's true. It's true. Because if that was to get into his head, oh my gosh, today, I'm pretty sure the guy would have killed himself. Really, he would have. With all the hate, even the hate today, I'm pretty sure he would have done it. Because you guys are no fans. No fans. You can say whatever you want, okay? But you're no fans because
Now says he's not an impersonator at all. In fact, he insists Michael Jackson copied him. According to Fabio, he was born with these features: the hair, the jawline, the eyes. He says the only thing he ever changed was his nose, and the rest, he claims, is natural. But what truly set the internet on fire is his statement that Michael Jackson rebuilt his face to look like him. Fans everywhere are stunned, confused, even angry. Some people call Fabio delusional. Others say he's just chasing attention. And a few believe he might actually be telling the truth. But whether you agree or not, one thing is certain. This debate has reopened the conversation about Michael's legacy, identity, and the pressure he lived under for decades. So tell us, what do you think? Is Fabio Jackson speaking facts or just rewriting history? FameFlash, bringing you the stories everyone is talking about. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.